Gitti. Gitti. Bu ne? Allah'ım.
Hello and good morning from the Speedy News. My name is Sulpa and I will be accompanying you for a few minutes forward. Our news today will be about Indonesian citizens surviving the Turkey earthquake, the 7.8 magnitude earthquake in southern Turkey on February 6. This severe earthquake hit on southern and central Turkey. The first earthquake occurred 34 km west of the city at Gaziantep at 4:17 a.m. local time, causing severe damage in Turkey and Syria. On Thursday, February 23, dozens of Indonesian citizens who survived Turkey's magnitude 7.8 earthquake returned home to Banten's Soekarno-Hatta International Airport last week. Confessed Chief of Police at Soekarno-Hatta Airport Roberto Pasip said 114 Indonesian citizens, including children and students, arrived on February 23 on a Garuda Indonesia flight under the coordination of Yudah Nugraha, head of Indonesian Civil Protection Department and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The bodies of two Indonesian citizens, Irma Lestari from Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara, and Niwayan Spini from Denpasar, Bali, who died as a result of the February 6 earthquake. Roberto said the bodies of the two Indonesian citizens were immediately taken to Lombok and Denpasar last Friday. Roberto said in a statement, "I extend my deepest condolences to those who lost their lives and my deepest sympathies to all those affected." The death toll from the earthquake in Turkey has reached 44,128, bringing the total death toll in Turkey and neighboring Syria to over 50,000 and many in Turkey. Many buildings, including apartments, have collapsed or been badly damaged in the worst disaster in the country's modern history. And that's all for today's news. Once again, I am Sulpa Fitriani, delivering news from around the world. Thank you and have a great day.